A very cheerful morning to all my little angels. How are you? Fine, fantastic. And ma'am, something want to share with you. We are doing our work, we are watching your videos and we are finding easy also. Ma'am, now we are finding EVS very easy. Oh, very nice. Now children, I want to ask something from you. Where do you study? In your bedroom or in your study room? Have homes. आपने read किया? Have you gone through the reading? Yes, what was the topic? Homes of animals. In that video we have seen where does a dog stay, where does a horse stay, and why do bird needs home? Tell me children. To protect themselves from heat, cold, rain as well as from other animals. आपको याद आया? Okay children, so today we'll be doing worksheet of homes of animals. So are you set with your notebook and textbook? So let's start together children. So my dear and lovely students, are you set with your notebook and textbook? So we are together going to start worksheet. Then the topic you already know beta, food and homes of animals. What's the topic? Homes of animals. और हमारा first question क्या होगा? It's very easy and interesting for you. Yes, this one is match the following. You have to match with the homes of animals. See, I'll read for you children. Dog. Where does a dog stay? It's a kennel. Okay. So you will be doing matching dog, kennel. Bird, nest. A rabbit. Where does a rabbit stay? It's burrow. Where does a horse stay? Horse कहाँ पे रहता है? Yes, it is stable. How you will pronounce it बच्चा? Stable. Lion. Lion कहाँ रहता है? Yes, it's den. Lion lives in a den. Monkey. Where does a monkey? कौन सा घर होता है monkey का? Yes, tree. Cow. Yes, tell me students. It's shed. Horse stable, cow shed. Horse stable, cow shed. Children, once again I'll repeat for you. Okay? Are you with me now students? आप कहीं इधर उधर भागे तो नहीं है ना? बिकॉज आई एम रीडिंग ट्वाइस फॉर यू. दो बार मैं आपके लिए रीड कर रही हूँ. आपको इधर उधर नहीं जाना. नाउ यू हैव टू कंसंट्रेट ऑन योर स्टडीज. ओके. डॉग, kennel. Bird, nest. Rabbit, burrow. Horse, stable. Lion, it's den. Monkey, it's tree. Cow, it's shed. Got it children? So in this way you have to match the animals with their homes. Okay? Complete the sentences with the help of the words given below. Goat and deer are children. For your help I have made a help box also. It's written flesh eater, grain eater, plant eaters, insect eaters. So goat and deer, they eat only plants, grass, so they can be classified into plant eaters. Chameleon and lizards are, वो क्या खाते हैं? Insects. So they are insect eaters. Got it children? From this help box you have to write over here and you have to complete the sentence. Lion and tiger are, they eat flesh of other animals. So they can be called, yes students, flesh eaters. Okay. Pigeon and hen, they eat grain. So they are called grain eaters. I repeat for you. Goat and deer, plant eaters. Chameleon and lizards, insect eaters. Lion and tiger are flesh eaters. pigeon and hen are grain eaters. Okay. Sorry beta. Answer the following questions. Sorry. Who are called plant eaters? Who are called plant eaters? Yes, it's given in your textbook. Yes, children, I repeat for you. Our first question is, who are called plant eaters? Children, if you want, you can tick mark in the textbook also. Can you see? Yes. Some animals like cow, goats and horses eat only grass and leaves. They are called plant eaters. Got it, children? Very nice. Now we move further. Who are called insect eaters? Yes, can you see better? Who are called insect eaters? किसको बोलेंगे? Yes, it's on the same page number 41. Can you see? Yes. So you can tick mark over here. Some animals like spiders, lizards and chameleon eat insects and worms. So they are called insect eaters. Got it, students? Now we move further. Who are called flesh eaters? किसको बोलेंगे? सोचो. Yes, correct. You have already got the answer. Yes, it is also on the same page, my students. Flesh eaters. It's in the last paragraph, same page number 41. I'll read for you, students. Some animals like lions, wolves and tigers eat the flesh of other animals. They are called flesh eaters. They eat the flesh of other animals, so they are called flesh eaters. Okay, students? Why do birds make nest? ये मैंने सबसे पहले आपको बताया था. क्यों बनाते हैं घोंसला? पक्षी बनाते हैं ना घोंसला. जैसे आप घर अच्छा बनाते हो, पक्षी सारे बर्ड्स और पक्षी भी अपने लिए घोंसला बनाते हैं to protect from heat, cold, rain and from other animals. So birds make nest. Got it? So you will be writing in this way all the question answers in your notebook. Objectives beta, you can go with worksheet as well as in your textbook. The space is already given, but question answer part you will be doing practice in only and only in your notebook. Now the write T for true and F for false sentences. True or false आपको बताना है, सोचना है. Then you have to tick whether it's true or false. A lion lives on a tree. Lion कहाँ पे रहता है? Tree पे. So it will be false. One I have done for you. Two you will be doing. Oh ma'am, but you read for us, no? Okay, children. A tiger eats flesh of other animals. You have to write. We make stable for a dog. Stable for a dog. It's a true or false? You have to do. Okay, it's the easiest one. Yes beta. So it was all from the homes of animals. आपको पूरा वर्कशीट समझ में आया? किस तरह से करना है बेटा? Match the following, then question answers, then true or false, isn't it? Yes, it's all given on page number 43 also. And activity time, small activity for you. You can make a home of any animal and you can draw that and you can color that. That is a activity time for you. You enjoy ना? आपको coloring करना अच्छा लगता है ना? So that is an activity part for you. Okay? So children, I hope you have followed the whole worksheet and you will be doing on yourself, because by this time you know how to go with the worksheet. ठीक है बेटा, और बहुत ही अच्छे से करेंगे. डू टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ and of your pets as well as of your mom and dad. Okay children, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye students.